What's going on, guys? Dre again with Hartman Adventures. Out here this Sunday evening again, trying to see what we can find. Woo. Line just get bite. That one right there. But it's not running as yet. I have a live bait on it, so I'm just gonna wait and see what's on there or if it's gonna run. So today the video it's gonna be a little bit different. We're still gonna be doing a little bit of fishing. We were at home and we're about to make dinner, but I felt for fishing. My wife felt to do some fishing, so what we did, we threw everything in the car and we headed out. So we planned that we were going to bring the coal pot and cook while we're fishing. However, it's been really overcast. Let me turn the camera around so you can see that. It's been really overcast all evening and it's raining on and off. So I'm not sure how we're gonna work out the cooking part, because rain might have go out down the fire. But I've set up a few stones right here. Plan to put the coal pot on them, keep it off the ground a little bit, and see if we can do some cooking while we're fishing. As you can see, I have everything in the car. You can see I have some stuff here, water up there in that box, lots of water. And I have coal here. I have the coal pot right there, and some more stuff. So it's not going to be a catch and cook, guys. Not going to be a catch and cook. The fish that we're going to cook this evening, I caught one of them the other night. Ash caught the other one. So if you haven't seen that video as yet, just click the link in the description or the link just above. So you can click any one of those links and you'll be able to see that video. But it's getting late and light is going to be out pretty soon, so I'm just going to put the camera down, see if I can wash my hands and start cooking. So welcome to Hartman Adventures again. Remember to like, share, comment and subscribe, guys. I really appreciate the support that you've been giving me over the past couple of weeks, so thank you guys very much. That's what we are about to do this evening. Try to cook on it on the rocks. Guys, check that out. Check that sunset out. It's probably a bit too bright now, but check that out. Woo. Alright, see it here guys. Crackers. Some vinegar for wash off. Fish them. Some seasoning. Some paper for wipe hands. Some pepper. Ellie! Come on! Oh! Good butter, gold seal man. Good gold seal. Carrot. Bunch of things there in there, so let's see if we can get it going now, yeah? Alright guys, so we're going here so now. We have some. Yeah, so you have in this again?
Pumpkin, carrots, corn, scallion.
Alright, so we have some pumpkin and carrot and thing I go and steam down in this. So while that I go on, I go and cut up some seasoning right here and season up my fish them, wrap them in some foil paper and then see if we can get them on the grill. So yeah, so we do it man. So this is for Sunday evening chill out. Hartman Adventures, we out here again. Hartman Adventures people, that's how we do it man. We do out up on the seaside and see if we can catch anything, but at the same time we are going to make dinner, you know. We are going to make dinner man. Other night, same place right here, so I catch a jack, yeah. So if you not see the video there yet, just click the link in the description or the link just above. I'm gonna link it somewhere about there, so you see when we caught this jack. Nice snapper. Down further down the beach down there, so if you catch that snapper, yeah. Nice snapper. It's in that same video, so you can check out that as well.
got a fish, guys. We got a fish. Ellie got the net. Give me this, Ellie. It's a snapper. Snapper. Woo!
Wait, Ellie, wait. Alright, guys. Nice lane snapper. Nice lane snapper just landed. Over this, I try season up some fish, and this rod just went mental. So, nice lane snapper. Wait, Ellie. We have him already, we don't need the net again. I'll see him right here. Don't put down the net. Put down the net. In here, guys. Nice lane snapper. Why, if he's on the camera tonight? What? You want to hold him? You can hold him? You see him? The case we have the We did put one next little bag with some seasoning in here. So.
Anything I put in there is in there.
Alright, we could eat fasting.
I think I cut up the mirror first.
Cut them up. No, not cut them out yet.
No, I'm looking for the little bag where you say you put with seasoning. The cock soup over here, so too. Hot pepper. This you're talking, right?
Yeah.
Oh, son of a big toe. There you go.
Guys, I'm not putting too much seasoning right now on these. Just using the fish seasoning. I'm going to cut up some other stuff. I'm going to use them. Alright guys, see it there? See him there? Ready, season up. Put him one side over this up. Check that out. Corn and thing. Go and boil down. Yes man. So we do it, you know, guys. Yes, man. I have no idea. No man in the far out still. Fish on! Big fish! He might come back to my right. Big fish! In the close in now. Yeah, but he not tired yet. Yeah, man. Yeah, man. Alright, he might try to go back. Hold on, I don't want to cut my braid from the rock here, you know. Watch him run for his stone.
Oh man, come back here, sir.
See him right in there, so. Hold on, wait. You feel like one stingray, man. When you just come here, so come lay down, so. Hey, he still a peel, you know. You feel like a stingray, man. Oh, it bell drop in the water. He lay down right in here, sir. In the right in here, sir. Hold on. See him there? Big stingray. Big stingray. Yeah. Alright, I'm gonna see if I can carry him under that line here. Huh? I might have to get the gaff to take him out, you know. Big stingray, guys. Don't have no sun right here, so we can beach him. Woo. Huh? Wait there. He's right here, guys. He's right here. See him right there? Very big stingray. Cow nose stingray. That's just it. He just now come up. Can't turn in your head. Alright, wait. Wait for another wave. Take the rod, take the rod, take the rod. Take the rod. Guys, corns are ready.
Corn already?
Corns are ready. Just need to finish wrapping these, but whew, the lines are going off each time every time I try to get going, the lines keep going off. So just now I got a massive stingray, and as soon as I bring him close in where I could gaff him, the battery and the camera died, so you guys didn't see that. But that was a massive stingray just now. That was a very massive stingray. Yes, people. Yes, guys, Hartman Adventure, that's how we do it. Night catch, we not done cook dinner yet, so we are catch fish and we are cook dinner same way. So yeah, the adventure. All part of the adventure, guys. All part of the adventure.
It's calling me, like the rainbow. It's calling me, like the rainbow, the rainbow. It's calling me, like the rainbow, like the rainbow. It's calling me, like the rainbow, the rainbow. I can't control it. My eyes are wide open. It's calling me, like the rainbow, like the rainbow. It's calling me, like the rainbow, the rainbow. We got this one day soon. We got this one day soon. One day soon. One day soon. One day soon.
That again. Fish on, guys. Fish on. Boy, the rod them now give me a break, guys. As soon as I try to finish cut up my seasoning them and wrap the fish them to put on the fire, the rod go off again. Woo. Coming from afar, guys. One is coming from afar. What is this? Oh, look what it is. Look what it is, guys. Look what it is. That's the culprit. One down. If the line them give me a break, soon done all of them. Alright guys, so here they are, everything is wrapped and ready to go on the fire. Alright guys, so fish them ready now. Just put on back the corn to go and warm up again. So as soon as the corn warm up, Fish ready, dinner ready. We go have dinner. This looks so pretty.
Absolutely gorgeous. Not much I can say. Always like your own stuff. Nice.
See that, guys? See that? Food ready up. Dinner time, guys. Dinner time.
We're gonna have some food. Come, step.
Look at that. Fish ready up. Juice ready up. My line is going again. Ooh, fish on. What's this? Fish on, guys. Fish on. What's this? Shine your light over there. What's this? No. Wait. I see him. Big jack, guys. Big jack. Me hold on him, man. Just hold up the line. Hold up. Me don't want it to go up on the stone. Me hold on him. Hold the rod.
Go on with this.
No, I'll grab it here.
Woo! Yeah!
Woo! Look at that, guys. Put back one in our rod holder. Alright, give me this one. Bring that one back down there. Alright, guys, so we were just sharing dinner. It's about after 9 now, 9:46. It's 9:46 p.m. now, guys, and we were about to share dinner when my line went mental again. So just landed this jack. See him there, guys? Hooked with perfect hook set right in the corner of the mouth. Perfect hook set. Nice hard-side jack. I'm not sure exactly how much pounds as yet. Just landed it. We were in the process of sharing dinner. Come look guys, come look. So we were in the process of sharing dinner just there, and the rod went mental. Very nice jack. Yeah.
I got this there.
Ellie, go and stand up beside Daddy and the fish. Go on.
Come. Give me this there. Come, put your hand under here. Now put this one. Put this one. It's not gonna bite you. It's not gonna bite you, Ellie. Come, hold it. Hold it right here.
The food is ready.
Give Ellie one of the sliced fish.
I call everybody mommy.
That's
I call
awesome.
Uncle Bertie to come. I call Uncle Junior.
Alright guys, sharing Ellie's dinner.
Uncle Johnny. Uncle Jungle. Uncle Ben.
Look at that. So that's Ellie's dinner, guys. Sorry, it's looking like this, but I had to get rid of the bones first before I give it to her. So we have some fish with some vegetables, some corn, some pumpkin and carrots right here, and a crackers. You ready, Ellie?
Some crackers, please. Uncle Bertie and Mickey.
Get your ass here, my boy.
Hey!
Why? My boy? My boy? I 10 foot rod again here? Fling far. But just bust in this man.
Can't do them crackers with us. First fish. First Dr. Fish, give me. First time I ever eat Dr. Fish.
Yeah?
Mm.
Alright, alright.
Yes, alright, wait. Mm. Mm. Mm-hmm.
Alright guys. So that's my dinner right there. What you think, babe?
Awesome, guys.
Guys, you see that? That alone left. Fish sweet. Telling you. Wish you were here to try it, but maybe next time. Clean plate, guys. Clean plate.
Inside, right on the front here. We're supposed to see 2 regular size water and maybe the big one.
Ellie, you had dinner?
Yeah.
You enjoyed your dinner?
Put it in the garbage, please.
You enjoyed your dinner?
Yeah.
And it wants to play.
Woo! On another can.
Back at it again, guys.
Yes guys, so that's the catch for today. Nice size jack and a snapper. So that's the adventure for today. Today was a little bit different. We came out, we did some cooking, even though it wasn't what we caught, we cooked, but it was just something that we caught from a previous day. So we came out, we had some fun, we chilled, and we made dinner, and we got 2 nice fishes. So we're about to go home now. It's a little bit late. So thanks for watching the video again, guys. Thanks for supporting, thanks for liking and sharing. Hartman Adventures out again.